Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the DJI Avata 2, the latest FPV drone from DJI that promises an immersive flying experience like never before. We'll break down its design, features, flight capabilities, and more. So, let's get started. The DJI Avata 2 is DJI's third-generation FPV drone, designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. It comes in a sleek, redesigned body with improved aerodynamics and durability, making it more than just a pretty gadget. Whether you're new to FPV or a seasoned flyer, DJI seems to have something in store for everyone with this model. Let's talk design. DJI has really stepped up their game with the Avata 2. It features a longer wheelbase and a flatter frame, which not only enhances its aerodynamic performance but also contributes to better stability during flight. The build quality is robust, yet surprisingly lightweight, which is crucial for extended flight sessions without compromising on durability. Now, when it comes to controlling the Avata 2, DJI offers two options: the DJI Motion Controller 3 and the DJI Remote Controller 3. The Motion Controller 3, included in the Fly More combo, provides an intuitive way to fly, perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, the Remote Controller 3 is more suited for those who prefer a traditional gaming-style controller setup, offering precise control for experienced pilots. Let's talk about what really matters: how does it fly? The Avata 2 is equipped with DJI's latest 04 camera and ultra-low latency transmission system, resulting in outstanding video quality and minimal lag, even in challenging environments. It supports various flight modes from beginner-friendly assisted modes to full manual mode for advanced maneuvers. Plus, features like obstacle avoidance and return to home add an extra layer of safety and convenience. Now, let's dive into the image and video quality. The Avata 2 truly shines here. With improved dynamic range and enhanced clarity, footage captured with this drone is crisp and detailed. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or challenging low-light conditions, the 04 camera paired with DJI Goggles 3 offers an unparalleled FPV experience, making every flight feel cinematic. So, should you buy the DJI Avata 2? If you're looking for a drone that combines ease of use with top-notch performance and stunning visuals, absolutely. It's ideal for anyone wanting to explore FPV flying without the steep learning curve of traditional DIY setups. However, if you're a hardcore FPV pilot craving ultimate customization and a specific controller feel, you might want to consider other options. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 2 is a game-changer in the world of FPV drones. It's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, this drone delivers on its promises. With DJI's reputation for quality and innovation, the Avata 2 is a solid choice for both newcomers and seasoned pilots looking to upgrade their FPV setup. That wraps up our review of the DJI Avata 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.